shut your eyes, you just see the music with your ears. Hey you guys, Micah here with Bavsound, and I wanted to talk about one of the concepts that we really focus on with our products and why they're special. And it's called a soundstage. And for those of you who are familiar with audio, you probably already know what I'm going to say. But for those of you who aren't so familiar, a soundstage is a concept of almost if you can imagine your listening experience happens spatially. So if you were to, for example, place yourself at a concert, and as each instrument is played, you would actually have a different experience of where that instrument is spatially. And when music is recorded in a studio, there's a tremendous amount of attention that's placed into the instrumentation being in different locations, kind of panned left, center, right, some spread between the two and kind of moving between the two of the various elements of the music. And it's a big part of the experience, and it's a big part of what creates emotion or movement in the listening experience. And that's one of the things we really focus on when we design our products. And for example, the listening session that I just did was with our new Revenant Pro. It's got a very advanced DSP system that we can modify parameters of frequency response, the loudness of each individual channel, very small millisecond time delays so that everything arrives at your ear at just the right time. And that attention to detail means that when you shut your eyes, you just see the music with your ears. It's another dimension to a listening experience. And so, it's something we're just super proud of, and we think you're going to notice and really love and appreciate about our products.